morning, guys. Hope everyone had a good Easter and everything. I was just heading to a quick call today. It's actually just a parts replacement. A blower assembly was ordered for a reach-in, one-door reach-in cooler. So it shouldn't be too bad. It's up in an office building, so I don't know how much I'll be able to film or talk. I'll try to get some footage of it just to show you guys what's happening. But once we get there, we'll show you guys what's going on. Thank you. Well, here's what we have, guys. Gotta get this new motor assembly for reach-in. Single door reach-in cooler. Right here, Charleston unit. Gotta get that in here. The blower motor's bad. Up in there. Can't really see it, but that's what we're doing today. So the bad assembly's out. Right here. Gotta go up into the top. The wires run up and they plug in up in the top. Nice new assembly, nice and easy. Get the plug right here. Really no wiring involved. Just plug it all right in. Beautiful. Nice and easy peasy. So we had to come up top here. We already got the bolts out. There's 4 of them. To get the cover off in here. Which brings us to our evaporator. As you can see, here's our fan wires here, the harness. Goes down, comes up and through, and is right here. And it plugs in. Real nice how they set these up. So I'm gonna get all this out of here, get the new assembly in, run this harness up here, and I'll get back with you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so here's the 2 assemblies. I just wanted to show you real quick. If you notice the old one, 2 extra wires, 2 brown wires, whereas the new one doesn't. It's just the power for the fan on the ground. The plugs are the same if you look at them. This one here is the old style motor. These 2 brown wires are for a capacitor that's in there. This newer style does not have that. So just wanted to point that out real quick, that sometimes with newer models you'll get that. Could be something a little bit different, but it's all factory made to fit. Just to finish this up, I can't film much in here, guys. I'm in a building and that's why I'm talking quiet, but everything's all in and running. Just shut off at its set point at 34 degrees, so good little first job for Monday morning. Nice and easy, and it's indoors. And as you can see, April 2nd, it's snowing out here. And it's gonna be almost 70 degrees on Wednesday. Welcome to New England. I'll talk to you guys later. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.